Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make kyuri no sunomono. It's vinegary cucumber salad. Very easy to make and refreshing side. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kyuri no sunomono. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cucumbers, 4 Chikuwa fish cakes, 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Let's rehydrate dried wakame seaweed first. It's tiny black bits when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, it's spread out really big, so make sure to use plenty of water to rehydrate. Just put it in the water and let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's slice the cucumbers. Cut the end off. And I'm using mandolin to slice, but you can of course use knife. You're making very thin, paper thin slices. Add a teaspoon of salt. This isn't listed in the ingredients list, but you have salt. And rub it. Then let it sit for 5 minutes. And Chikuwa fish cake. It's tube-like fish cake with a hole inside. Let's make thin diagonal slices. If you can't find Chikuwa fish cakes, you can simply pass it. Let's make the vinegary dressing or sauce. You just need to put these 3 in one bowl. Vinegar, sugar, and hondashi, the soup stock. Give it a good mix. And the dressing is ready. Now, the cucumber is wilted with the salt and a lot of water came out. So let's squeeze this really well and put into the bowl of the dressing. Take some and squeeze. Salad spinner won't do this job, so you need to use your hands to squeeze. Into the bowl. A lot of water came out. Wakame seaweed is completely rehydrated. Squeeze it and add to the bowl. Let's also add the Chikuwa fish cake. Give it a mix. And it's done. Super easy. Let's serve in the bowl. This is totally optional, but if you like, sprinkle some sesame seeds. And kyuri no sunomono is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Like I said at the beginning, this is very refreshing salad. So it's perfect match when you're having something heavy for the main. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kyuri no sunomono is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and enoki miso soup or your favorite miso soup here. How about karaage, Japanese fried chicken for the main, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.